Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sonos Beam soundbar and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair this speaker with your TV. So to do so we have to have an HDMI to HDMI cable which has to be plugged into our TV. Let me show you where. So as you can see, here we have our HDMI ports and we have to plug our cable into our HDMI port. The next step is taking our HDMI cable, which is over here, and now we have to be very careful. And as you can see, here we have our HDMI port. It might be difficult to see it, but there it is. And you will see it. It's over here. Now you have to plug this cable into your port. And now after turning on TV and pairing it with your mobile application, everything will be done. To check how to pair your Sonos soundbar with your mobile application, check our channel. Everything will be here. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.